What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the NG models Air France A350-900 with the special Paris 2024 little stickers. Very excited to have this model. Air France has quite a few A350s and they have started sending them to LA. I believe they mainly do the Paris, LA, Tahiti, and then back. So hence why I picked this up. That used to be operated by the 777-200ER, but they have since now replaced it with the 350, it seems like, or the 777-300ER. So anyway, here we go. We have this model here. I don't mind having this one that's got the little Paris stickers on it. It's fine. I mean, I tend to go more for the just base, plain models. And then if I have extra, money or whatever, when I want to, and based on availability, I get like specials. But this was one that came out recently, and I realized because I was going back to try and find another one, and there wasn't one. So here we have it. There's the box, looking very nice. A350-900. This is Foxtrot dash Hotel Uniform Victor Juliet. It's a classic NG models box, so very nice. Oh, nice. Get the card, some little warning thingy. Nope, we don't need that. Just go ahead and get it out of the packaging here. Very nice. Plastic on the bottom there. Alright. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Excuse me. Alright, so let's bring this into the frame here. Take a look at what we've got going on. So here we have the aircraft looking very nice. NG models, the A350 is absolutely fantastic. I'm just trying to look to see when this was actually made. I know it's somewhat recent. Let's just double check here. Let's see here. This was let's see, December 2024, so not that old at all. So here we have it. Very, very nice. Looking absolutely fantastic. So let's go ahead and take a look at the zoom in. The engine models mold is absolutely fantastic for the A350-900 and the 1000 as well. But here you have the cockpit area. Lots of fantastic details all in this area. The gear looks excellent with Victor Juliet there on the gear door. There, France sort of logo right there, symbol. The little logo right there looking really, really good. One door looking very nice. And then this is what I mean. This is the tiny little Paris 2024 symbol right here. That's all there is to this aircraft. It's just got that little sticker right there. So nothing crazy, but pretty nice. Moving along, some great details all along the fuselage. You got the antenna at the bottom, antenna on the top. Air France titles looking really nice. This is the new Air France titles. Looking very nice. Ooh, we've got some... We've got some paint smudging. So it looks like there's a little issue with the paint right there. Not super significant. There's also a little issue back here, it appears. Right there, it looks like it got... It looks like someone, how they picked it up or whatever, had some... Yeah, there's a few, it looks like on the other side there's some minor paint smudging as well, but oh well, it's okay. So L2 door there looking very nice. The engines looking fantastic as well. The Trents looking excellent. You can see through the plates there, looking very nice. Winglet or the wingtips looking very nice. They have that little Air France logo inside. Very, very nice. Moving along, so there's the other little paint or the little defect right there, but overall it's not that big of a deal. Heck, you can see the aircraft. It doesn't look, it's not terrible. The wings looking pretty good, some good detail there. There's obviously no overwing exit markings or anything, as the exit is right at the back here. Moving along, more antennas and the Wi-Fi dome and stuff on the top there. Airbus A350-900, I believe that's Sky Team, and then the little Sky Team logo right there. The registration, Foxtrot, Hotel Uniform, Victor Juliet. Bulk bin door right there, and then the aft door, looking very nice. Tail section looking fantastic. Great detail all around here. Horizontal stabilizers and everything, so looking very, very nice. The tail fin looks great as well. Spin it around to this side. Same good details over here. You've got the main cargo door, or the lower deck cargo door right there, the aft one. Moving along, good details there on this engine as well. You can kind of see some minor smudging right there, not that significant. And then you have the forward cargo door right there, so looking pretty good. And we'll go ahead, take a look at the top-down view. That's the top down, and then the bottom, plain and simple, has got the registration on this wing right here. If it'll focus, there we go. But plain and simple. Plain and simple. Head-on view, looking fantastic. And we'll swing it back around here to take a look at the aircraft. So yeah, overall a very nice model. Just those three little minor spots, but not that big of a deal. I can live with it. Overall, it's a very, very nice aircraft. The mold is fantastic. The gears all roll. They are all good. NG has done a great job with that. So overall, very, very happy with this aircraft, and happy to have this in the fleet as well, adding to my Air France collection. But yeah, is it in focus? Trying to make sure it's in focus for everybody. Sometimes it's hard. Just get it in focus here as best as I can. There we go. But yeah, guys, so that's going to do it for this video. If you did enjoy, smash that like button, subscribe for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. With that, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.